Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to start some microwave magic. I'm going to show you how to make a poached egg in the microwave, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Noreen, and this is my kitchen. Today we are starting a new series, and I'm calling it Microwave Magic. Now, if you don't like using a microwave or you don't own a microwave, I think that is absolutely your choice, and I think that that is great because we all have to make choices, and the choice is yours to make. However, today we're going to start showing people how you can make delicious food in your microwave that goes beyond heating up water for your tea or hot cocoa and melting your butter or making popcorn. Yeah. So today we're going to start with the very simplest idea, which is how to make a poached egg in the microwave. And before we start, I did want to mention that people do like to get in the, in the comments and tell me how much microwave cooking is dangerous and it irradiates your food, and that is absolutely untrue. Microwave ovens use non-ionizing electromagnetic energy to heat the food. What they really do is heat the water molecules inside the food. They do not make your food radioactive. And regardless of what some people may think or say, facts are facts, and facts don't care about feelings. So I'm sorry if you don't like the microwave, and that's perfectly fine. I absolutely love the microwave. And for people who are living in a situation where they don't have a working stove, or maybe they're a traveling nurse and extended stay hotel, or they're a student living in a dorm, they have a microwave. They can't use a hot plate. They can't use an electric skillet legally because it's against the rules. So what do? You use your microwave. And here is a way that you can make eggs without a giant pot of boiling water or a pan of boiling water. Maybe poaching eggs is a challenge for you. And I'm going to show you how easy it can be. So we're going to do it super simple, and we're going to serve it up, and we're going to show you what it looks like. So what I have here is a bowl, right? These are just very simple. They're wheat straw, plastic, bowl, and plate. So we're going to start with a half a cup of water or thereabouts. We're going to start with a tablespoon or so, what we like to call a splash of vinegar, and of course, an egg. So this helps. You ready? And all we're going to do now is crack our egg. And I'm going to crack it into this bowl. And then I'm just going to gently lower it into that water. Okay? Now, the next thing you're going to want to do, you don't have to like stab the yolk, but you do need to like just gently break the pressure on the yolk because you don't want it exploding inside the microwave. Because remember, microwaves ionize the water molecules from the inside, not the outside. So we want to make sure that our yolk isn't building up pressure and eventually kablooey. El kabong. in the microwave. So to prevent things from exploding, we're going to walk this over the microwave, and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Now we're going to go ahead and cook our poached egg in the microwave. Super easy. I'm doing one today just to demonstrate, but I have often done 2 eggs at a time in a bowl. I've actually done 2 bowls with 2 eggs each. And depending on how much you're putting in your microwave, then you can adjust the time. Today, I'm going to start at 45 seconds. And then we're going to double check it. Okay. It doesn't take that long, but 45 seconds, it's most likely not going to be done yet. You're going to need to do it for another 15 or 20 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and close this. Oh, yeah. Make sure you put a plate on top like I have. Make sure it's loosely covered. This plate is not going to create a seal. So you want to make sure of that, because if you create a seal and you put it in there for too long, your egg is going to explode like this. Oh, see what it did? It went kablooey. I'm going to close the door. And I have an 1100-watt microwave. Your microwave may be a lower wattage. So make sure that you understand that. If you have a lower wattage or a smaller microwave, then your egg might take a little bit longer than mine to cook. 45, or let's do 44 because my finger's still right there. Hit start and let it go. Okay, we're going to check it and take the lid off. And we're almost there. You see how it's starting to coagulate? We love that word. I'm going to put it in for another 20 seconds. Cover it. Doo-doo. Boom. All right, that was an extra 22 seconds. Let's give it a try and see what it looks like. Look at that. That is a poached egg right there. All right, meet you back over at the counter and we'll serve this up just right. Okay, now we're going to fix our poached egg. We're just going to put it on a piece of toast and enjoy it that way. Now, if you want your yolk super jammy or runny, you want to make sure that you take it out of the water before it's fully set, okay? Now, this was in my microwave for 44 seconds, then 22 seconds. So you can do that math, 66 seconds. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop this on a piece of toast. And we're going to season it up. Okay, now we're just going to season it up. I have some Malden sea salt, which is like crunchy, high crystal sea salt, and some cracked black pepper. You season up your egg however you want. You want to dash a Tabasco on there, you go for it. I love Chipotle Tabasco. That is like my favorite. And now we're going to pop this open. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. Look at that. A perfectly poached, runny egg. That's everyone's dream. Poached eggs are great by themselves on toast. They're great in your bowl of ramen. They're great in, obviously, Eggs Benedict. And I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious microwave hollandaise sauce you will ever make. It's super easy, effortless, and delicious. And that is how you make a very easy, under a minute really, or just over a minute, poached egg that runs like a dream in your microwave. So stay tuned for more microwave magic. Make sure you hit the like button. It really helps YouTube to know that you like the video, and it will push it out to others who are looking for the same information. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button so that you never miss out on a video that I share in the future. So I hope you try it. I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.